Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Kia Rio key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery ready. These are the only tools you'll need for this simple task. Next, carefully examine your key fob to find the small slot, usually on the side. This is where we'll begin the process of opening it up. Let's get started. Once the key fob is slightly open, you can carefully separate the two halves. Take your time to avoid damaging any internal components. Before removing the old battery, pay close attention to its orientation. This will help you insert the new one correctly. Then, using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. It should come out with minimal effort. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for playing music while you're working on your car or just relaxing. Check the description below for the link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the fob, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This is crucial for proper function. Next, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Make sure all the buttons and internal components are correctly seated. Finally, press the halves together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating it's securely closed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.